Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Welcome to another quick and easy meals. First, I want to say happy Easter. So today, guys, I decided to make some lamb, something I'm trying to think, have I ever done it? I don't think I've ever done it. But actually, I thought that I would try some lamb today because lamb is very popular at Easter time. And my mom used to make lamb at Easter. The house always smells so good. It gives off the nicest aroma. So what I decided to do was just to try some small pieces, not a rack of lamb or a leg of lamb, but I said, let me just try some small pieces since lamb is not what I do. But it looks like it's turning out quite nicely. So let me move over. Here are the spices that I use today. And I use some butter, plenty of butter, and a little olive oil. So let me just tell you what I did. First, I seasoned up the lamb. I washed my lamb off, seasoned it up, and had it marinating in the fridge for probably about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours maybe. And then I cut up my vegetables, which I have here carrots, potatoes, and I have a little green pepper, which you probably can't see it. So I have a little green pepper in there. And so I cut the vegetables up. And then in a bowl, what I did is after I cut them up all in a nice big bowl, I poured a little olive oil on them. And then I seasoned them up with the same spices and herbs. And I rubbed them in real good. And then I put them in this pan because this is a nice heavy pan. I put them in the oven and let them get soft. You know, I let them bake for a while. And then now what I'm doing is putting the lamb chops on top. And so they're still cooking. So I just wanted to pause right here to let you see what they're looking like. As you can see, I used a lot of garlic. Now my mom, when her lamb was done, what she would do is serve it with mint jelly. I don't have any mint jelly, but we're going to see how this is turning out. My husband is looking forward to tasting it. So I'm going to put the top back on, pop it back into the oven. And I think that it really only needs to cook for about 35 minutes. I don't think it's been quite that long. So I'm going to pop it back in the oven for a little bit. And then I'll bring it out for the reveal, plate it for you guys. But you know, this is everything, you know, this could be all in one because you have the potatoes, carrots, and protein here. But what I'm going to do, you know me, I'm going to make some asparagus. So keep watching. All right, guys, so I have put my asparagus in the pan, so I'm going to saute it. I don't put a whole lot on my asparagus. I use the Perfect Pinch, McCormick's Perfect Pinch Italian seasoning, a little salt and pepper, a little olive oil, and as you can see, I'm using some butter here. Okay, I want to stop and let you know that Quick and Easy Meals are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. I will be putting the links to these ladies' channels in the description box below for your viewing pleasure, because that's what it'll be. If you click on those channels, you will get some pleasure viewing their awesome content. Okay, so let's get this asparagus popping. Keep watching. All right, guys, as you can see, I did put a little paprika on it to give it a little, you know, just give it a little color, So they're looking pretty good. So I am going to plate this in a few minutes. Keep watching. All right, here's the final reveal. We have lamb, potatoes, carrots, and asparagus. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Have a happy Easter. He is risen. Until the next one, bye-bye.